Hello, so in this video I'm going to unboxing this package that I just received from HELLOICE, and I'm going to do a review on these and I will show you the items that I got. So basically HELLOICE is a jewelry brand from America, and they are making like hip-hop inspired jewelries that normally the rappers wear, but these are like a more affordable dupes of these jewelries. And HELLOICE asked me to try out their jewelries, and of course I accepted because I like to try out new things. But of course, before I accept any collaboration, I always make sure that the brand is actually exists or not, and they have a website and Instagram, and I always read the reviews. So I did this before I accept the collaboration, and I did my research about them, and I also saw other reviews on YouTube, so I think they are really like exist. So it's going to be a first impression for me because I never bought anything from HELLOICE, and of course I will show you everything and close as possible. So yeah, let's see together how this jewelry looks like. But before I start this video, then please make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it, and also subscribe for more videos. And yeah, thanks for watching. And also I wanna give you some information about HELLOICE. So HELLOICE is founded in Miami in 2017, but they are located in Los Angeles, and they are using like high quality materials such as like sterling silvers and brass. And for the stones they are using like cubic I don't know how to say it, cubic zirconia stones, which is basically a alternative to natural stones. And yeah, that's it. But if you want more information, then please check them out. Every information in the description. And yeah, here is the package. So it came in this very basic, simple package. It's no bubble wrap or anything like this. Okay. Oh, HELLOICE. So here is the package. It came in this cardboard box. It has a logo. This is how it looks like, the HELLOICE logo. So now let's see. I'm going to do a close-up, and now let's open the box. Okay, you are the first one who see what is inside. It's a very nice black box, as you can see. So basically it came in this very simple card box, but inside you have another box. It actually reminds me of the Ana Luisa jewelries. They are also came in this type of box. So here is the box. Hope it's focusing. Yeah, it's a very nice package, I think. I want to show you first for you, okay? Hope it's focusing. Yeah, okay. So let's open. So it came in this black pouch. Very nice material. It's very soft and thick. So now let's open the bag. Okay, I have two items. Yeah, so they came in this plastic bag. So the first item that I got is actually a Cuban Link bracelet. They also have a Cuban link chain, but I choose this bracelet. And as you may not know, I am a half Cuban, so of course I got my Cuban link style jewelry. And another one that I choose is this tennis necklace. Let's see how this one looks like first, and of course I will going to show you close up. So this is how it looks like. Now it looks very bright because of the light. So let's see. I am not a jewelry expert, so I don't know nothing about jewelries basically, but it looks really nice. I don't see any weird stuff on the jewelries. And you have to push this little button here and it's open. And now let's see how it looks like on my wrist. You have to push the side and here we go. Here's the Cuban bracelet. It's actually good. You can see my arm is very small and skinny, so but the size is good. I choose the smallest size. This looks really nice. I really like it. Wow. Even for every day, I think it looks very nice. What do you think? Yeah, I like it. And it's not heavy, it's like very comfortable. So now I'm just going to read some information about this bracelet. So this bracelet is called the HELLOICE Woman's Iced 8mm Cuban Link bracelet in white gold, and you can get this in the size 7" or 8", and the price is €60, and it has a free shipping. And the description says that the material is 18 karat white gold plated, and the stones is cubic zircon stone. Also you can get the 1-year warranty, and it says that HELLOICE fully stands behind the product we sell, therefore all of our products are covered by 1-year warranty starting from the day when the original order was received. So it's very nice. So yeah, what do you think? Right now it looks really nice, but later I can give you some updates about these jewelries, and I hope the stones will stay on place. So now let's see the next one. This is the tennis necklace. So here is very nice. Right now it looks nice, I think. Wow. And it looks like the stones are really well made. I cannot see any problems. They look really precise. I don't see any discoloration on the jewelry. So yeah, I am very satisfied with the look. So this is the HELLOICE Woman's 3mm crystal tennis chain in white gold, and the price is €40. And you can get in the size 16 or 18 or 20 inch. And the stone types is crystal, and it has a free shipping, and it also has a 1-year warranty. This actually looks like my Swarovski earrings. These are from Swarovski, and it's actually the quality looks exactly the same, and it has this type of lock. It's actually really big. So here is the tennis necklace, but it's a little bit hard to keep them in place because they are like twisting, but yeah, it looks really nice. So okay, voila, this is how it looks like together with the Cuban Link bracelet. I really like it. So yeah, I just show you everything that I got, and I hope you enjoyed that video. And if you have any opinion or any experience with Hello Eyes, then please let us know. Or if you have any other question, just ask me in the comment section below. And also thanks for Hello Eyes to let me try out their product. And yeah, please like this video if you enjoyed that, or subscribe for more content. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.